Look up, but don't just stand there. In the gospel, the disciples were staring at the sky as Jesus ascended into heaven. Their hearts were full, amazed, confused, maybe even a little afraid. But Jesus did not tell them to stay and keep looking up. He told them to go. He says, "Go and make disciples, teach, baptize." My dear friends, this is also for us. Sometimes we feel lost. Sometimes life becomes heavy because of problems, failures, guilt, quiet struggles. And we look up and say, "Lord, where are you?" But Jesus is not far away. He is with you, and He is sending you. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to love, to forgive, to try again. So, yes, look up, but then go. Go and live with faith. Go and love with courage. Go and be His witness. Because the Lord who ascended into heaven is still walking with you today. Amen.